Welcome to Dark Psychology. Let's begin.
Have you ever walked away from a conversation with the feeling that something was off? Nothing obvious, nothing you could explain. Just a quiet instinct telling you didn't really see who you were talking to. That instinct used to be one of humanity's greatest survival tools. Today, it's almost extinct. Today we're talking about speed reading people, a skill most humans once had and very few still possess. Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. Humans were never designed to connect through screens. We were built to read faces, posture, tone, hesitation, silence. But somewhere along the way, as technology accelerated, our most fundamental social skill quietly deteriorated. The ability to read people in real time, not body language tricks, not party trick psychology, but genuine perception, the kind that notices. Micro changes in behavior, emotional leakage, contradiction between words and intent. Today, most people don't observe. They scroll, react, and assume, and that makes them blind. Here's the part no one likes to admit. When you can't read people, you don't become kinder. You become easier to control. Because if you rely only on words, you will always lose to someone who understands behavior. People who can speed read others, spot manipulation, early sense, deception before it surfaces, detect confidence that's fake, recognize emotional weakness instantly. And yes, that power can be misused. That's why society prefers you not to have it, because awareness creates asymmetry. Let's address the obvious objection. Isn't this manipulative? It can be. A knife can cook dinner or end a life. Speed reading people doesn't make you immoral. It reveals what already exists. Intent decides the outcome. The real ethical question is this: would you rather be unaware or able to see what others hide? Because pretending ignorance is virtue has never protected anyone. Speed reading people isn't hard because it's complex. It's hard because it demands presence. You must stop narrating in your own head. Stop projecting your assumptions. Stop needing people to like you. Most people can't tolerate silence, or ambiguity, or emotional discomfort. So they never truly watch. They hear words and miss meaning. And that's exactly why those who master this skill operate on a different psychological level. Here's the final truth. You are being read constantly. By employers, by partners, by negotiators, by predators. The only question is whether you are reading back. Speed reading people isn't about domination. It's about clarity. Seeing what is there before it costs you. If this unsettled you, good. Awareness always does. And remember, the most dangerous people in the room are rarely the loudest. They're the ones who are watching. If you have not already, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.
Most people stop here. They never really understand. Observe more closely.